यो व्हाट्स अप गैंग, और आज मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ करने वाला हूँ पीवीपी और खेलने वाला हूँ बेड वॉर्स। सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो टू सी व्हाट हैपेंस। Yo, what's up gang, and in this video we are playing the Holy Bed Wars with the Citrus Master.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. We'll play quadruples, after that we'll play PvP.
Yeah, sure. Fine.
And here goes the zesty ball to choose the triples match. Okay, go. I'm sorry.
What is Finnish temporary? It's legit like I can't change my skin. It's really hard to deal
It's
with.
okay, bro. And this is force, right? Yeah, this is force, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, what's up,
Brody.
baby? I mean, the infant wala baby, bro.
It actually is a baby.
Yeah. That's why I'm saying that, bro.
I am.
Yes, sir. I'm going towards. What the heck is this brinjal gang? Yo. Nah, bro. See, you can see brinjals.
What?
Oh shit. I tried to speed bridge and I fell. Okay, you go out. तू अपने राइट या लेफ्ट में देखेगा तो तुझे ब्रिंजल्स दिखेंगी भाई.
Yeah. What? Why? What? क्या मैप है?
Oh no, wait. I'm coming. They're here, right? They're here. We are cooked. We are so cooked.
Here?
No way, भाई वो TNT गिराएंगे क्या ऑलरेडी? ओ भाई इतना ऊपर मत ब्रिज किया करो सच में. No, they're gonna destroy our bed. Let's go. Come on, no way, bro. No, भाई सब लोग हमारी जगह पे कैंप कर रहे हैं. Let's go. But still our bed is gone.
Yeah.
Let's lock in now, bro.
Like at the very start of the game only they just bomb us, bro.
Gotta use their strats, bro. कुक कर रहे हैं. मैंने एक रेड वाले बंदे को मारा. I got this.
अभी भाग.
भाई मैं मर गया. Okay,
play again.
sir.
भाई हमें ना like as soon as we spawn in पहले तो we need to come up with a measure to like prevent them from TNT dropping us.
सबसे पहले तो तू वुड ले ले, ठीक है? वुड से सबसे पहली लेयर कर एंड देन फिर वुल जो भी है वो लगा देना.
ठीक है. उसके लिए I want all the iron you get, bro.
Oh my god, bro. भाई बट मुझे भी तो उनके जैसे अटैक करने जाना ही होगा ना. चल.
अच्छा ठीक है भाई. नहीं कोई बात नहीं. You're right.
बस मुझे 2 और
अच्छा
चाहिए.
गोल्ड है. ब्रो वुड तो गोल्ड के लिए है भाई.
कितनी? 4 गोल्ड ये ले भाई. Got you. मैं तब तक लगा रहा हूँ भाई ऐसे टेम्पररी कुछ तो.
नहीं है. I got wood.
ठीक है हटा लेना. किराओ.
Shit, TNT.
Already?
I don't know how, bro.
अरे भाई अपने टीममेट ने. Oh my god, भाई एक तो टीममेट भी ऐसे मिलते हैं ना, 2 लगाने का मन करता है.
क्या किया उसने?
भाई उसने TNT लगा दिया.
पागल. सच्ची में?
हाँ, और कौन लगाएगा भाई?
नहीं. I can't believe this. सच्ची में?
हाँ.
No way. भाई ये क्या कर रहा है पागल? Dumb, bro.
No, I died.
अरे भाई मैं ना आज बेड वॉश खेल रहा हूँ तो मैं TNT लगा देता हूँ अपने बेस में, इतना मजा आएगा।
Yo.
Bro, how do you even make that mistake, bro? भाई ये बंदा is mining. He's destroying our defense.
This dumbass, what are you doing? Oh my god, bro. I really want to. भाई इसको किक करो यार. Slash kick. What's the what's his name?
भाई he left. Oh, that's blue का.
अरे भाई लेन देना गोल्ड या आयरन. भाई आयरन तो दे दे.
भाई पहले तो बंदे ने अपना गोल्ड वेस्ट करके हमारे बेस पे TNT लगाया भाई.
मेगा माइंड टाइप शेप ब्रो.
अरे भाई क्यों माइन
अबे
कर रहा है?
अच्छा इंस्टॉल लगा रहा है भाई. इंस्टॉल लगा रहा है.
ओके डन. W.
अब बोल रहा है W.
भाई कैसे?
सॉरी.
अरे भाई बंदे ने TNT लगा दिया था भाई, मैं क्या करूं भाई. हैप्पी.
No bro. Why bro? Yeah, just a beginner guy trying to speed bridge and falls down bro. Okay. I'ma get boil
Bro, I'ma create like a huge platform
too.
so that like they can't TNT drop us.
Okay. Yeah, that's a
drop the
smart
TNT.
idea.
It will land on this platform.
Is Blue camping over there? No, I don't see anyone.
I need food.
But Blue is dead, so I'ma go towards Blue. Right. Yo, I have 7 diamonds. No way.
Come back, bro.
I'm coming back.
Come back
I'm coming back. Yo, what if I die? अबे भाई गूल ब्रेक कर रहा है भाई ब्रेक मत
Goal.
कर.
भाई he'll replace it.
नहीं वो दूसरा बंदा भाई. मैं जिस वूल पे कूदने वाला था वो उसको वो तोड़ रहा था भाई.
Yeah, give the diamonds to me. अच्छा या upgrade.
कर लिया
Get it's a trap.
What?
Whoa, you got it right? You took the stuff.
Bro, I
You
bought
brought
the reinforced armor.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'ma keep the diamonds in the chest so everyone can
chest or under chest?
access it. But reinforced armor is okay, bro. It's not that bad of
Yeah,
a
it's pretty
Oh
good. It's
shit!
not-
I fell down. It's not that bad.
Yeah, true.
Blue is destroyed. Red and yellow is remaining.
Red and yellow.
And we are green.
Bro, you should start gearing up, get emeralds and get
Is
diamonds.
someone here?
No.
Okay. I heard the fall damage thingy. The damage sound.
Somebody might be here. Go check.
No one is here.
I need
No one's
gold.
here.
Hey, why he breaking my wall? He's probably replacing it or something.
Nah, gang, you're not always right. He might be replacing it
No,
with.
give me gold. Give me 4 gold, please.
I have 1. I need iron, bro. I have 2 now.
Here, I have 32.
Yo, dub.
Give me gold.
Yo, you collected my iron.
Oh, here.
अरे भाई उतना नहीं चाहिए. चलो ठीक है मिल गया तो.
My gold तो कुछ नहीं
TNT
है.
मैंने खरीद ली है. भाई 5 more iron for a chainmail armor. ये ले गोल्ड.
एक
अच्छा
मिनट,
मिल गया बस मिल गया. 1 सेकेंड. एक और. Yes. Now I'ma buy a chainmail armor. Yo,
What?
someone bought something. I don't know what he bought, but now we have enchanted this
Bro,
sword.
12 gold for a bow, bro.
Bow is overpowered, bro.
Bro, if you think our defense needs to be worked on, then tell me, okay?
Yeah.
No, please. Yes, got it.
Buy
Now
a.
I come here.
I'ma buy a pickaxe.
Bro, can you help me? I need help, bro.
What? I'ma buy shears
I
too.
have 4 TNT right now.
Yes, so. Bro,
I need to bomb.
I'm not near you, like at all.
Oh,
I'ma block this off, bro. No one gonna buy from here.
I have 4 diamonds. I have 4 diamonds.
Okay. Yo, Red's defense.
Can you tell me what they have so that I can add it into our own
Like,
defense?
and stone.
Okay, and stone to have.
And stone, bhai, बहुत सारा. They have like 10 layers or something. I don't know. अरे भाई.
Bro, should I upgrade our resource? I have 7 diamonds. What should I do? Start with
अरे भाई
sword.
चेस्ट में और डायमंड्स रखे तो तू reinforced armor खरीद लेना उससे.
Reinforced star. No, I took the chest ones and now I have 7.
अच्छा, okay.
Let me get all players in your team permanently in haste. Actually,
Nah,
nah,
haste
I'll
is
get-
not good, bro. I mean, no one is going to break the blocks, bro. They're just gonna blast them up, bro.
Regeneration field creates regen field around your island.
For everyone.
Yeah,
I mean, like
No,
the
for us,
enemies
I-
too.
no, for us only.
Okay. Buy dash it,
I'ma
bro.
get that. And I need one more diamond to get slow trap.
I need TNTs. Yeah, bro. Now we got some regen thingy.
No! Shit!
What? What, bro?
Nothing.
Nah, gang. Nah, actually, what?
Nothing. I just fell.
Okay.
I need an iron sword. I need 7 gold. Okay, I got it.
Bhai, all of.
Bro, do you have any TNT?
Yeah. I'm at Yellow's base
How
right
much?
now.
Come on, you can do this.
Diamond armor! Holy, bro.
Who has diamond
Bhai,
armor?
Yellow.
Damn!
Oh, they have obsidian inside, bro. Shit. I thought I'ma blow the defense up and break their beds, bro. They have obsidian inside. Gotta put the obsidian, bro. Come on.
How, bro? We already built such a huge defense.
Bhai,
Bro, we need to get pickaxes.
Bhai, I
bro,
ain't-
actually, though.
going to break this obsidian now, bro. With an iron pickaxe, bro. I mean, I died.
I
Really,
have a
nigga?
diamond pickaxe if you need.
Yo. But you can't drop it.
I can,
You can?
I guess.
I have a stone pickaxe.
I dropped. Wait, can I?
No, you
No,
can't.
I can't. Oh, come on. I need
Can you get
gold.
obsidian?
What?
Obsidian.
Yeah, I can mine of obsidian.
No,
I
can
have
you get?
efficiency.
Can you get obsidian?
Let me see. It's for 4 emeralds, bro.
Damn. Looks like we are poor. Okay.
Yo, what? We have a 30-minute.
अरे भाई इसने पूरे बेस में पानी कर दिया.
Damn!
Lil bro made a swimming pool for us.
Yeah!
But we are good. Oh my god, I died the same way again. Nah, I fumble so much, bro. Can I get some resources, bro?
Bro, I think I should attack the yellow base because I have a diamond pickaxe efficiency वाली.
भाई तूने हेस्ट खरीद लिया?
नहीं, वो दूसरे बंदे ने खरीदा.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. अरे भाई लेन दे.
Oh my god,
भैया.
bro. Urgent, bro.
What?
This is urgent.
क्या भाई?
I have 10 diamonds.
10? Holy, come back to base.
I'm coming.
भाई
bro,
गिरना
but I
मत,
don't-
स्प्रिंट मत कर.
आ गया.
ये
Okay. या तो I can buy reinforced armor का second tier, या तो I can upgrade our resources. What do I do?
What? I didn't hear you.
Either I can buy reinforced armor too, or I can
I
do
bought
this,
sponge.
upgrade our resources.
I think
Huh?
I don't know, bro. Your choice.
Should I upgrade? I think I'll buy reinforced armor too, bro.
Okay.
Can I buy anything over here?
Yo, I bought sponge by mistake. Two and a half stacks of iron.
Use in this cluttered environment, bro. It needs to be free. Oh shit! I almost hit it off.
Yo, I need. Oh shit! I almost cooked their bed.
What do you mean?
TNT. I placed 2 TNTs and they were just left with some gold. I mean not
Which
gold,
team?
sorry.
Which team?
Red team.
Which team? Which team? Red.
Yes.
Where is their base?
Are you okay,
Where
y'all?
is Red's base?
I'ma get your diamonds pickaxe. Bhai, if you need iron, just contact me, okay? I have like 4 stacks of it. I'ma buy fire charges, fireballs, whatever.
You sound like some broker or something, man.
You
Now
what?
we're the only one.
No way, bro. We have to win this, bro. Come on. Yo, I gotta buy
We're
some
the
stuff.
only ones with beds.
I
bro.
know. Because we all cooked their beds, yeah. Y'all, we are cooking.
Brody, I say all of us rush yellow, bro. They only have one player right now.
I'm going towards yellow. Is he in the base?
Same.
Nope.
Yeah, bro. I think yeah. He's stacking.
Now I'm at their base. No one is. No way, bro.
Bro,
Crazy stuff.
yeah.
60. What? 1.5 stack of. No way.
Shit.
What?
No, I think I missed a TNT. Did I
No,
manage to place a TNT?
bro. Please, no. I have 2 emeralds. What should I buy?
I don't know, bro. Whatever you want.
Yellow team tracker, bro. I'm okay. This might sound useless, but bro, trust me.
Yeah, okay, bro.
Okay, I see yellow team. Yeah. He might be cooking up something, bro.
Bro, I bought so many TNTs, but I have nothing to do with them now.
I'ma just bow spam on him. Hit him.
Bro, is there even anybody in the yellow base?
Not in the yellow base. Yo, I'ma cook this guy. No. I died. But we won.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Boom, yeah, let's go. Okay, let's play PvP now, bro, please. One match and then we'll end this video.
Ah,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
bad at this, bro.
It's okay. God knows who's gonna win.
No, bro. Hey. Yes!
No way! Okay, nice. We'll play another one.
Sure.
Close match though.
How do I accept Crystal? Oh shit!
Yo, nothing gonna happen by running, bro. Oh shit, bro. Close one. My totem popped. So nice match. Close one. Another one, bro.
Nah.
Oh shit. Nah, bro. Come here, lil bro. Nah, bro. What is going on? now.
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys, and hope you enjoyed. Meet you in the other in another video.
Okay,
Goodbye.
guys. Bye.